Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday morning. We're going to jog through some deals over at Walgreens. Now the booster that I had was spend 50, get back 10, and mathematically there just isn't enough deals to make it happen. And I'm not going to just, throw some stuff up and say, oh, do this, do that, when it's not a very good deal. And we'll hop into some deals using Walgreens Cash, register rewards, doing a little flip this week. So this is more of a week just to spend what you've earned, and I'm going to show you a couple hot deals. Now, I just want to give a very special shout out and hi to my mom if she's watching. A couple snaps that I took off of the coast of Lake Superior. I was visiting her this weekend up in northern Ontario. Hi to my mom, and some of the photos I took on my way home. I went and saw her this weekend, and it was a really quick trip. Okay. Right, guys, so the first deal we're going to look at is curbside, and a lot of you might be like, well, this is supposed to be an in-store video. It has to be curbside because I found something mathematically that just kind of doesn't make sense, but makes sense. So if you can follow along, this might be a deal for some very inexpensive Garnier shampoo. You're going to put one whole blend in a basket plus 2 fructis, exactly like I'm showing right here, depending what your store might have. Now that 5 off of 3 digital coupon, I loaded it a couple weeks ago and I could not find it in my accounts this morning. However, if I put the 3 in the basket, guess what? It's coming off. Boom, look at the very top. I can't show you what the digital coupon looks like, but it is there. My subtotal is $10.37, free because this is a curbside pickup, 62 cents for my tax. My coupon came off, so it's $5.99. So in theory, guys, I could actually use $5 of Walgreens Cash, and because this is a buy deal, buy 3 of these, get $5, I can spend it and to earn it again. So it'll be 99 cents tax included for the 3, so very, very cheap. And then just to show you, my pending Walgreens Cash is $5.10. So boom, there it is, a very cheap Garnier shampoo, little magic already. Now, if you are going to do this in store, they are 3 for $12 with the whole blends or the fructis. Unfortunately, my store, first thing, nothing was tagged and I went at the crack of dawn. So as you can see, putting 3 of these in a basket. And again, I initially thought that I only had the 2 off of 2, but it works differently at the cash register if you loaded that other coupon earlier this month. But let's look at it 2 different ways. For those of you that didn't load every single coupon, you have this one today, which is the 2 off of 2. So we're looking at this now in store. It is a little bit more than the curbside prices as well. I would do it curbside. Okay, back to in store, grabbing 3 of these using that 2 off of 2 manufacturer. You're paying $10, getting back $5 in Walgreens Cash. Now, if you have the 5 off of 3 on your card, grabbing 3 of these for $12 in store again, subtracting that 5 off of 3, you're paying $7, getting back $5, making it $2 for the 3 or 66 cents or whatever per shampoo. Again, if you're using this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash, spend it to earn it, but doing it curbside, it's just so much more advantageous. So you pick how you want to do it. I would personally do it curbside. Okay, mes amis, the next deal that we have is with either the Scott toilet paper or the paper towel. Actually, you're going to have to grab 1 of each for this deal. So we're going to grab 1 paper towel. If you have a million cats like me, you know it's a great product. And the toilet paper. Now, a lot of people are complaining this toilet paper is not what it used to be. Maybe just donate it or give it to somebody who might like it. I don't know. This morning we got these digital coupons that include 50 cents for 1 of the paper towels. And I believe Fetch Rewards has some progressive, like spend 20, get back like a couple of bucks on the Kimberly-Clark paper products. We also have this $1 for the Scott toilet paper. And yes, it is attaching to that 12-pack. So looking at the math, this is just a cheap deal for paper products. 2 of them is $7.50. It's on a buy one, get one 50% off. So at $5 a pop, that's $7.50. Subtracting the $1.50 of digital coupons, well, you're paying $6 for the 2 or $3 each. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use $5 in Walgreens Cash and pay $1 for the 2 and scream in the parking lot because you rule at getting cheap paper. I think it's just a great little deal on some, cheapy paper. Have our toothpaste deal of the week. So $3.99, $4 register reward when you buy 2. So Specifically, this one is attaching with the digital coupon, which is weird. Now, I thought this week we would get a new digital coupon, but guess what? It's the one from last week. There isn't a new one. Not that I can see, but I might be wrong, but I couldn't find a new one this morning, so meh. So I did grab 2 of these. Toothpaste at $3.99 for $7.98. Now, last week on one of my store cards, I loaded the 4 off of 2. I used one as well, so I don't have it anymore. But this is just to put eyes on it. This is what the digital coupon looks like. And as you can see, it expires on the 17th, so that's where they got us. Looking at the mathematics for this, 2 of the Colgates at $3.99 a pop is $7.98. Subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, if you didn't use it last week, you can do the deal this week. You're going to pay $3.98, get back a $4 register reward, essentially making this free. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use a little bit of Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that register reward, and you should be in business. Okay, so I know a lot of you absolutely hate the new formula of that Scott toilet paper, the one that's always $5. So this is an alternative toilet paper deal. These are like $4 and some change this week for these 6 equals 24 Angel Soft, and this is a better quality toilet paper. I'm going to say that. We have this digital coupon, and it came off perfectly at checkout for me, so definitely load it. It's 50 cents off per bag. And I also threw in this from last week, which is a $4 register reward from the Colgate deal last week, so I'd pay a lesser out of pocket. So this is what I did. I grabbed 3 bags of the Angel Soft for $14.07, subtracting that $1.50 digital. The new total is $12.57. I used one $4 register reward, so I had to pay $8.57. I got back my $3 register reward, so it drops it down to $5.57, which is okay. And is it all right to use a little bit of Walgreens cash as long as you're not doing this with a booster? This is certainly a fantastic deal to do, so I would do it if you are very sensitive to toilet paper. I know that my mom, she was here a couple weeks back, and she's like, that Scott toilet paper is awful, but this one is very passable in the book of my mom. Now, this next deal, if you loaded this coupon on Friday the 9th, you can do this deal. If you didn't, the coupon is no longer available, and I apologize, but this is for a very specific shopper. If you were on the app on Friday and loaded it, $8 digital coupon, load it right away. Now, guys, just to show you at the very top, $13.99 for a 16.5 ounce of the Downy Unstoppable. That is a lot of scent beads if this is your thing. And I just got to photograph the tag. Somebody beat me to the store to get the last one. $13.99, and it says buy one, get a $3 register reward on Downy Unstoppable Fresh. So boom, there it is. Right, valid till the end of September. So this is a month-long deal. Grabbing one of these for $13.99, subtracting that $8 digital. Again, that was a Friday-only coupon, which is like super uber stupid, but it is what it is. You'd pay $5.99, get back a $3 register reward, making that massive container $2.99. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down this balance, by all means. If you're into making like little baskets and such for, you know, the holiday season, I mean, this would just be perfect for a laundry basket. I was able to load it to one store card. I was like floating around Lake Superior, so I didn't really have much opportunity to load it on my second store card, but you win some and lose some. So I'm right with you guys. If you're like, I couldn't do it, I'm just with you with that one. Kind of like, it is what it is. So the 90% summer stuff that started hitting 90 on September the 6th, last Tuesday, there's still a lot in my store. A lot of this stuff, some of it was 75, some was 90. Those little Frozen dolls were 49 cents each. I have nieces that love Disney, so it's perfect. The Powerade was 99 cents. They're little freeze pops, I thought, for colder flu season. There were also Skittle ones for the same price. Look for them at the front of the store. There was a whole bunch. Nobody was buying them. And also in the back to school section, tons of them. If you think 99 cents is a good stock up price for either 20 of these Powerades or the Skittles flavored ones. And then the coloring books, I believe, were 75% off at $1.74. It's an excellent little stocking stuffer for nieces and to keep them busy. Even for Halloween, it would be an excellent like non-candy gift. I just thought it would be super cute. I found these specifically at the front of the store Or you know where they have the back to school stuff? There was a whole display of like these, and a couple of them for cold and flu season, or somebody gets strep in the house. It's really smart to have these on hand. Okay, before I take off, let's have a little giveaway. You guys seem to love these. To participate, you must be a subscriber to my channel. Tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, in the comments write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. One entry per person, and I will pick the winner for this little giveaway on Friday the 17th. I'll pin their name and their comment to the top of the video, and that's how the winner will be picked. This is absolutely free to participate. I pay for the gift card along with the shipping, and we only have one winner for this one, but good luck, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.